obviously bribing typically is done within, officials, politics, people in power. There's been so many connections over the years between the mob, the government, the Hollywood. Hoover categorically and persistently denied that the mafia existed when there was shootings going on, when violence was increasing on the street. Why did he just deny the fact that the mafia existed when it was so obvious that they did?
I think there was fear at that time. They didn't want to believe that it existed. And I think that was it. I mean, J. Edgar Hoover at the time, I can tell you specifically in his case, there was dirty information on Hoover. And a lot of it was acquired in a club in New York called the Stork Club. And he did some illicit things in the restroom, not realizing that the restroom was bugged. And they had some dirt on him. I know that for a fact. The owner of that club was involved with the mob in a big way. And Hoover would never admit the existence of it because he was afraid that he would be exposed at the time. So, it wasn't until Valachi came out and Robert Kennedy went crazy, went after the mob, and that Hoover finally had to admit its existence because Valachi admitted it and told the whole story. But initially, he didn't want to talk about it. Not at all.
Do you know what it was? Exactly what dirt they had on him?
Well, at that time, he was homosexual. And they said he was a cross-dresser, but it wasn't true. He was homosexual. He had a boyfriend, and at that time, that was off limits.
It's unacceptable then.
Yeah, not like today. Today, it's a different story. But back then, it would have destroyed his career. If you remember, he had dirt on everybody. He had dirt on celebrities. He had dirt on politicians. The only people he left alone was the mob. And that was the reason, because they had dirt on him that would have destroyed his career.